Didn't help me man back. And it's the Seattle Seahawks Hope Chest, which on the hinges, I bought them. I already put them on. And what I'm currently working on is chain. Because on my other box, this box here, when you open it up, it's got chain, so it holds it in place. Okay? That's what I'm working on now. And this is what I have going on, is this chain here. There's a little eye loop, or the little hooks I've been using. Yeah. And this chain I got. So that's what I'm working on. I want to close this real quick. And my hinges that I bought are these right here. Not too shabby, right? Lowe's, thank you for the cool hinges. I think the set was like $2 and some odd change. It wasn't much for a pair, so. It's really nice. Has a nice color. So, time to show you what I'm working on. And this board here, probably wondering what in the world. Well, this board here, what I'm working on. Okay, this board here, what I'm working on is, or the use, is so there's a lip right here, and I'm putting it up against the bottom of the table, and I'm resting it right here for right now. So that as I do that, what I have is a box that's nice and opened up exactly the way I want it. So now, here's my box. So now, from this point, what I can do is have this chain pulled up exactly. Go ahead and add it tight. Then use a pencil and mark it. Make sure I get it good. There you go. Now you can see it. Now I can take this chain, pull it up in here, right about in the middle. I'll have my handy dandy pencil, mark a little hole, or mark. Because what I'm going to do is use my drill, this kind of bit, very fine one. Start very slow. Okay, so now I have a hole put in there. I get one of my hooks. Get one of these. These hooks here. Get it in there. Alright, so got my mark, I got my drill. Drill my hole in here. Get my hook again. Yeah, screw it in there. Hardest part is getting it started. After it's started, it's good to go. Now when you start screwing in, it's going to be easy at first, and then it's going to get really hard. When it gets hard, you can use a pair of pliers, like this, or a very small screwdriver. A little screwdriver, just get it in a little loop, and turn, get up in there, and turn. It's very simple this way. I'm going to use pliers. Just grab it, and turn. I'm going to get back over here and grab it again. Which is, I mean, you can grab it, but I mean, here, honestly, with a small screwdriver, I think it works faster. Just got to get it in the hole and turn. Now, as this is going into this side of the wood, I'm going to keep my hand over here, because if I feel a screw popping out, I'm going to stop. I think that'll be good right there. to make it. Well, a little bit more. There we go. Now, with this part of the chain, it's opened up. With this chain, is this chain here, okay? Where the only way to open it is to open this part here with some small pliers and bend it around. I tried doing that, it's a pain in the butt. So, what I did was, with some wire cutters, I mean, this is wire cutters, so you have to go deep. But if you have better ones, where the whole thing snips, would be much easier. So I went in like this. It didn't get all the way through. So then, of course, it's my Dremel. I use that. So now I have this nice opening. This up a little bit. Get that in there. My pliers. Close it up. So now, look at this box. Beautiful. And now I have hinges on it. Cool hinges. It's not all blacked out because so you have this color here and this color here. Isn't that beautiful? It matches. It says, I'm old style rustic type work. I think that's exactly the kind of image I wanted. I finally got the chain in. So now my chain's good to go. So, without further ado, this is Dan the Hobby Man. Facebook, YouTube. This project is just about done. So if you have a hobby, enjoy doing it. Relax while you're doing it, and always have fun.